I just happened to come across a video on X, formerly known as Twitter. And I just want to share it with you and maybe even talk about AGI a little bit. But here's the video.
You know, people talk about AGI, right? Artificial General Intelligence.
Yeah.
Do you think in 10 years from now we are there?
Depending on how you define it, I think the answer is yes. And so the question is, what is AGI? If we define AGI as a piece of software, a computer that can take a whole bunch of tests, and these tests reflect basic intelligence, and by completing those tests, deliver results that are fairly competitive to a normal human. I would say that within the next 5 years, you're going to see obviously AIs that can achieve those tests.
And design the chips that you're making right now?
Yeah.
Will you need to have the same staff that designs them?
In fact, none of our chips are possible today without AI. Literally, the H100s we're shipping today was designed with the assistance of a whole lot of AIs. Otherwise, we wouldn't be able to cram so many transistors on a chip or optimize the algorithms to the level that we have. And software can't be written without AI. Chips can't be designed without AI. Nothing's possible.
So nothing's possible without AI, he's saying. Now, that's interesting. So let's go to this article right here, AGI. What is artificial general intelligence? And what is AGI exactly? AGI is a hypothetical type of artificial intelligence that would be capable of processing information at a human level or even exceeding human capabilities. It would be a machine or a network capable of doing the same range of tasks humans are capable of, and it would be able to learn to do anything a human can do. For example, engage in nuanced interactions, understanding context and emotions, transferring learning between tasks, and adapt to new tasks and environments without programming. This type of system doesn't exist, and complete forms of AI are still speculative. But researchers are working on developing an AGI. For this, many of them are interested in open-ended learning, which would allow AI systems to continuously learn like humans do. Isn't that the whole point of AI? To mimic human behavior and to learn on its own. It reminds me of Data from Star Trek Next Generation. He was an AI, I suppose. He was an android, but you could say he was like an AI. I don't know if everybody remembers. Let's see here. All right. So Data is this guy here, in case you didn't know it. He was an android, but essentially he was like an AI as well, and so was Kit from Knight Rider. The original Kit, I think. This is Kit. He was an AI car. I don't know if you've ever checked out this show, but that's what he was too. He was an AI, essentially. I mean, although they called them androids, but essentially they were AIs. Now, there are several types of AI so far. It's not unified at this point. There's different ones here for different capabilities, for different jobs. You know, they do different things. And like that guy was saying, that he uses AIs, lots of AIs, for different tasks. But sometimes I just think, like, maybe we should just do this. No, that's not going to get rid of all of our computers, but sometimes I just think, like, maybe that would be the solution. We wouldn't have to worry about AI or anything. But then again, I wouldn't be talking where I am right now because I wouldn't have a computer because Rambo would take care of it. Now, some people think that AI could be used for evil. Obviously, it will be used for evil. And we'll get something like this, you see? Now, we don't want this, right? We don't want this guy to, come and shoot up police stations or something. Be some bad AI device that they made. See, we already know how it turned out. So why even create AI in the first place? That's what this whole trilogy or whatever it is now is all about. The AI gone wrong. So, but I think this is interesting right here. The different types of AI. I'm not going to go through them, but this guy does. And it's not that long. I could play it.
I'm going to attempt to classify all of artificial intelligence, or AI, into 7 types. That's a tall order, but these 7 types of AI can largely be understood by examining 2 encompassing categories. There's AI capabilities and there's AI functionalities. So let's start with AI capabilities, and there are 3. The first of which is known as artificial narrow AI, which also goes by the rather unflattering name of weak AI. Now, on its face, that doesn't sound like a very interesting capability to start us off, but actually, narrow AI is the only type of AI that exists today. It's all we currently have. Any other form of AI is theoretical. So we can think of this as realized AI, that's the artificial intelligence we have today, and theoretical AI, which is the artificial intelligence we may have in the future. Now, narrow...
So, right now, we have weak AI. We don't have Terminator-type AI, or Kit AI, or Data AI. I think a lot of people are nervous about AI, and maybe they should be just a little bit, but I don't know. Will it ever turn out to be a Terminator type of AI, or would it be subservient like the Kit AI or the Data AI? It's hard to tell, but it's happening. Scientists are working on this, and eventually it will be more of a reality in our daily lives. Right now it exists, but someday AI is going to be writing movies, maybe even making entire movies. Or it's just going to be a tool that people use to help them create. It could go either way. The AI could do its own thing, even though it can't right now, and maybe it will. Or it could only be used as a tool that people use to help them to enhance their creativity. Either way, it's here, and it's only getting more advanced by the year. So I don't know if this video helped you or not. I just wanted to say something, and I did it, and that's it. Talk to you later. Bye.